Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade. Thank you for joining me today. Today, I'd like to go over some of the operation procedures and troubleshooting procedures on a Nemco roller grill. It's a model 8075SX-220, indicating that it is a 220-volt model. And here it has the basic instructions for introducing the customer and staff to the equipment, um, explaining for them to read over the instructions before using, to clean the machine thoroughly before and after all uses, using the cleaning instructions that we'll go over below. And then it's warning them that the machine is hot and to be careful while cleaning it or operating it. And then, as far as the safety instructions, they need to be able to plug it into an certified electrical outlet with the corresponding voltage rating. So it should be plugged into a outlet that's giving out 220 volts, according to the voltage on the data plate. There are two motors in the unit that have two on and off switches. Those switches are right here and right there. The left set of switches rotates the front set of rollers. So the left controls the front and the right controls the back. Um, Units with two temperature controls. These are the temp controls right here. You have two for each side. And those temperature controls on the first one controls rollers 1 through 8. And then the second roller controls 9 through 16. And then they have the basic preparation steps here, just to excuse me, setting the unit on a flat surface, positioning the unit near the power outlet, and avoid using extension cords. That's important. You should not use extension cords with this unit. Um, that could be a safety hazard and possible electrical issues too. If the unit fails to operate when it's first installed, you can call Nemco customer service. I'll read that number out to you. It's 1-800-782-6761. Let's go down to the startup. Turn the on off switches to the on position. That's these switches right here. You'll turn your temperature controls to the desired temperature. Right over here, these temp controls, they are numbered. So if it's set to number 2, that's going to hold at 150 degrees. Set to number 4, the temperature is going to go up and hold at 180. When it's set to number 8, the temperature is going to go up to 220 degrees to the cook mode. When it's set for number 10, that temperature is going to go up to 300 degrees, which could be used for your preheat, to preheat your rollers. Always allow the rollers to heat 5 to 10 minutes before placing product on the rollers. Plastic tongs are also included with the units with grip sit rollers. Grip sit rollers are the black rollers. They have a coating on them, and you want to be careful with those. You mainly want to use the plastic tongs with those, and you don't want to use metal utensils or tools or anything on those grip sit rollers. Operation. This is important for staff mainly. During slow sales periods, they should turn rollers on low heat and fill rollers with product. Keep front rollers on medium and serve product from there. Shift the product from the rear to the front and reload. During busy periods, set rear control to medium and front control to high. Serve from the front rollers first. During very busy periods, set all thermostats on high. Fill all the rollers with product at this temperature. Product should be sold within 15 minutes. Never serve product from low heat if not approved by the health department. Never change product from high to low heat, as the change in temperature causes the product to shrivel. When cleaning, proper maintenance. This is just a note that proper maintenance plays an important part in the lifespan and functioning of the unit. Turn the temperature controls on high and turn rollers on before cleaning. Remember that the rollers will be hot, so be careful when you're cleaning these or working on them. Always start at the end of the rollers and wipe towards the center. That's the most important point right there. This prevents extra grease from entering the sides of the unit and into the bearings. And then that's when you'll see like some some units will get a lot of grease buildup on those bearings there, and then it just drips down into the the drive area, the drive chain area. So um, you want to specify to the customer how they should clean those properly, and also have them go over this with you so that they're aware of um, how to clean it. If they have these black grip sit rollers, they should use a soft cloth to wipe the rollers clean. If the rollers have buildup on them and the rollers cannot be, the buildup can't be removed by just wiping it with a wet cloth, then they should take a clean, soft towel and put ice inside the towel, and then rub over the rollers with the ice in the towel, and that does help loosen up that heavy stuff that you can't get off, instead of scraping it, because you don't want to scrape these rollers with anything hard or metal. And then for the chrome rollers, these units also have chrome rollers available, which are chrome, and you can tell the difference in the color. Um, so if they have the chrome rollers, um, each each unit will come with a two-sided sponge. Use the rough side of the sponge to remove the residual from the rollers. If buildup of residual cannot be removed from the rollers by wiping with a coarse sponge, you may use any type of kitchen abrasive to clean the rollers. After cleaning the rollers, remove the drip pan and clean it with soap and water. This is the drip pan right down here. You could see it has a little lip on it, and you just slide it right out. And right now, I'm just going to pause for a minute, and then we'll get down to some service instructions, and then we'll go over some troubleshooting. Hello everyone, I invite you to enter our Black & Decker electric screwdriver raffle. Go to our link below or in the description to enter. This is a 4-volt max electric screwdriver. It features a pivoting handle, an LED, a lithium battery that holds a charge up to 18 hours. It includes a USB charger. So enter today. Just click the link in the description or go to the link below. Thank you.